You're reporting amber because you think that's going to make you look careful. Doesn't work that way. Hello, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO, and every day I make project management videos. If that's your thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content. I can't tell you how many projects I've seen over the years where the project is reporting amber for poor reasons. It kind of makes sense until you challenge the thinking. Example 1. You've decided to report as amber because you feel that your project needs some attention. I'm sorry, but no, this is not the way you get attention. There is reporting, there is the multitude of tools through stakeholder engagement. There is picking up the phone and saying to somebody on the other side, give me attention. In this situation, I'd urge you to go back to your organization's governance rules and check on the guidance on reporting and see if needs attention is one of the items that's listed next to the amber status. Pretty sure it isn't. The other incorrect example I can think of is the project manager who likes to live in amber because it gives the impression that if anything goes wrong, he'll kind of be acknowledged as having always had an eye on the possibility that things will go wrong. Actually, it's the opposite. If there's a bunch of things that could go wrong, they're risks. Mitigate the risks. Be proactive. Living in amber for a year just means that you're not doing anything about the risks. You're not being proactive, you're being passive. Have you ever seen a job advertisement asking for a passive project manager? No. Get yourself out of that amber status as quickly as you can before you ruin your own reputation. If you're going to report amber, let it be for justifiable reasons. It's because of the plan, it's because of the costs, because of the benefits, the scope, quality, maybe risk. Check the governance guidance at your organization, and I can pretty much guarantee you won't find I was just being careful and I just needed some attention listed amongst those rules. One last thing, there are perfectly legitimate reasons why you might be reporting amber for a long time, but if you don't have a set of return to green actions that are evidently being worked upon at the moment, don't be surprised if your organization decides to start looking for somebody else who can get your project back to green. Okay, I've got to go and make the dinner. You've got to go and fix your status reports. I'll catch you later.